Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I don't know about you, but I find maple syrup to be one of the most comforting foods there is, and I absolutely love it. This one here from Grandma Z's is delicious. So this is a 100% pure maple syrup. This comes from New York, and Grandma Z's has been using the same woods for 5 generations and using very traditional methods and techniques. So they've got it down to a T, tried and true. It is so good. So I love maple syrup because it adds more than just sweetness to your dishes. It adds complexity, it adds a little bit of bitterness, and just so many different notes. This one has such a robust and pronounced maple flavor that it is really delicious, and I just love the flavor it brings to everything that I've put it on. So of course you can drizzle this all over your pancakes and waffles and all of that, but you can also do more with it. You can even bake with it and cook with it, put it in marinades and other things. I've been putting it into smoothies and into my oatmeal and also making cocktails with it. And let me tell you, that is a game changer. It really adds a nice complexity to your drinks as well. So I have been super impressed with this maple syrup. I love that it is an unrefined sweetener, so in addition to adding that sweet flavor that you're looking for, you also get the benefit of antioxidants and vitamins and minerals, so it's really nice to use it as an alternative to sugar where you can. So I just have been so impressed with this. The flavor is absolutely delicious, the quality is there, and it is comforting and it brings a smile to my face. So I would definitely recommend Grandma Z's maple syrup. It is amazing, and that is my point of view.